Yo, Buzz, the camera's rolling.
Oh hey, so the MO Deferred Comp plan presents retirement savings basics in 30 seconds.
And today's video topic is retirement savings education.
There, done.
What are you doing?
I just requested a web one-on-one with the MO Deferred Comp education specialist.
A web what?
A web one-on-one. It's the exact same thing as meeting with an education specialist face-to-face, except you're doing it via web. It's like a video call.
I didn't realize you were so tech savvy.
Oh, I'm not. I'm just all about convenience. You know, I don't even have to wear pants to meet with someone via the web.
TMI. Anyway, this is a great segue into today's video topic. The MO Deferred Comp plan offers in-person and web-based meetings with their team of education specialists, seminars, webinars, a local call center, and tons of resources like newsletters, calculators, and videos all on their website.
And the best part of all, it's free education, and the reps at MO Deferred Comp do not earn a commission. So you know they're looking out for your best interest.
Right, and scheduling an individual meeting or registering for a seminar is super easy too.
Just head to modeferredcomp.org and click the gold event registration button at the top of the page. You can find events in your area or request a web one-on-one like I did.
Why did you request a web one-on-one?
Well, for starters, the education specialists on the Deferred Comp team are super nice.
And don't forget, they're really smart and great at what they do too.
But seriously, I just want to talk to someone to make sure I'm on track to meeting my retirement savings goals.
That's a much more acceptable reason.
Remember to share this video and keep an eye out for the next edition of Retirement Savings Basics in 30 Seconds.